I'm just going to show you what's in my tool bag. I'll just give it a bit of a circle around so you can sort of see before I take things out of it. I've had quite a few tool bags, and this is the one that I go to most of the time because I can get a fair bit inside it when I'm taking it into the house or wherever I'm working. So I'll just start with, what I'll show you what this can do. I'll take off this. I can take this little side piece off and connect it to my belt if need be. Just put that on the belt, click that on, and I can take this little part here, like a little pouch, and just click it on. So I can walk around and use that as well, which I do from time to time. Take it back off, just clicks off, clicks back on the bag. Take this little belt clip off, and it just tucks away in the top there, nice and easy. So I'll just pull out all these tools and I'll just show you what I've got in there for. Pair of pliers, side cutters, pointy nose pliers, shifter. This is just a little tool that I've had for quite a while. It's just to self-adjust to any nuts that you're working on. It's just like a little coat hanger. I put some heat shrink on it if I need to pull wires out where I'm working on a switch. These are flush cutters. These are great for cutting cable ties nice and flush. Just a little extension for spade bits. Tape measure. Tape. I've got my little lock tag, so if I'm working on circuits I need to be able to isolate them. It's got your circuit breaker, your padlock, and your little tag. RCD tester. 240 volt tester. Battery drill. Multimeter. Keiretsu. It's also got a little amp tester so you can test amps and your volts. It's a great little tool. It's nice and compact. Gloves, so if I'm doing some testing with a Mega, I like to use those. Stubby Phillips head and a stubby screwdriver. Little torque set. Allen key metric set. Scissors. Little magnet. Little extendable mirror, so if you're using inside switches you can actually look up inside and see if you've got an internal noggin or a half noggin. I use these as a small pair of bolt cutters, Kipex. These are great for cutting down screws. Cable cutters. Head torch. Long, large screwdriver. Plaster cutter. Screwdrivers, large, medium. Also have a smaller one there as well. Phillips heads, large, medium, and a small as well. Level up your power points, light switches. Also got another little amp for testing amps. That's all I use this for when I'm working on various bits and pieces. I need to be able to test what load. Handy little tool. Gas torch, and I've just put some solder around it when I'm doing soldering. Little stud finder. It's another great little tool as well for finding studs behind your plaster. What else have I got in my little bag here? And that's about it. I've also got just a little buckle here that I can hook onto the bottom of meter boxes. Also hook it into the van so it can't roll around everywhere. I've just made up various pieces of conduit for all the screwdrivers to sit in. So they sit in there nice and snug, don't move around everywhere. Just got another little conduit in here just set up for cable ties if I need them. A little bit of heat shrink. And that's about it. So that's what I carry in my tool bag.